In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine audiences in Mailchimp. Combining audiences can help streamline your email marketing efforts, making it more effective and organized. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account. You can do this using either a browser or their desktop app, whichever you're more comfortable with. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left side of your dashboard. You'll see an option labeled Audience. Click on that and then select All Contacts. This is where you'll manage your audience, your email list basically. It's the hub for all your contacts in Mailchimp. Next, we're going to navigate to the settings. On the interface, you'll notice a tab for settings. Go ahead and click it. This part is crucial because it will lead you to the management tools you need to combine the audiences. Look for the Manage Audiences button and give it a click. This is the gateway to altering how your audience data is structured in Mailchimp. Now pay close attention. Beside the audience you want to combine with your primary audience, you'll see a Manage Audience drop-down menu. Click it and select Combine Audiences. This option will take you to a pop-up modal, which is where the merging magic happens. In the pop-up modal that appears, you'll find a drop-down menu. This is where you choose which audience will serve as your primary audience, the one you're combining others into. Select your primary audience from this list. Once you've made your decision, click Next. As you progress, you might encounter a section about groups. If you've organized your primary audience into groups, you'll see options to add the contacts from the secondary audience into these groups. This is helpful if you want to maintain any segmentation you have in place. Simply check the boxes next to the groups you want to include, ensuring your contacts are sorted appropriately. After checking the groups, click Next to move on to the confirmation page. Now that you're on the final step, you'll need to confirm the action. In the confirmation page, type Confirm into the provided field. It's a security measure to make sure that this combination is intentional. After entering Confirm, click Combine Audiences. And there you have it. You've successfully combined audiences in Mailchimp, streamlining your marketing efforts. This will allow you to better manage your communications and keep your contact lists organized. Implementing this approach can greatly enhance the efficacy of your campaigns. I hope this guide was helpful, and feel free to refer back to it whenever you need a refresher on this process. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.